Hello everyone! Welcome to GreenAds Global's official YouTube page. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to use the campaign feature on the rcs.telinfy website. Let's get started. Open the RCS Telinfy website, rcs.telinfy.com, and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, the first option you'll see is the campaign option. In the middle of the screen, there's a box to add the name of your campaign. Ensure that the name contains no special characters. For this example, let's name it Demo 1. Next, choose the template you have created on the Telinfy platform. A tutorial on how to create your template is available at the top right-hand corner of the screen. After selecting your desired campaign, check how it will appear on the recipient's phone in the campaign preview box. Once everything is in order, add the prospective numbers you want to send the campaign message to. Make sure the number is placed vertically and not horizontally with a comma. After completing this step, click on Send Campaign. Congratulations! You have successfully sent your RCS campaign. Now to get the results on your campaign, click on the Reports section under the Campaign section. Under that, click on Reports. Type in the dates you want your campaign data from. Click on Get Report. Then it will be showing you the status report both in a pie chart for easy representation. It will show the sent, delivered, undelivered, read status. For this example, as I hover the mouse over the pie chart, it shows me what it is indicating and the numerical status about it. For a more thorough explanation, as you scroll down, it is explained in a tabular format. To download the table, click on the Download option. Download the file. This is how the customer will see on their phone.